Okay, one of the features that we do promote a lot on our EPOS system is the strength behind it for marketing, as we say, improving your business, which is basically keeping your customers happy, increasing customers, increasing income, increasing your stores, and so on and so forth. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take you for a little browse through the marketing section of the Premier EPOS system. Now, every system you get from us will have this section on, so my advice is to learn how to use it and get straight onto it. It really does make a difference. Okay, here we go then. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into customers and marketing. And when I'm in there, I've got marketing campaign. And when we select this one, you will see three sections. We've got customer list, we've got templates, and we've got a campaign. Very briefly, the template is basically the layout of what you are marketing and what technology you're using to market that piece of information, i.e. SMS texts or emails or even a letter. And there is also implementation if you use MailChimp to send information through there as well. Your campaign is simply a combination of your selected customer list and the template, and you actually run the campaign from this section, and then that will make the magic happen and start texting, emailing, etc. your customers. Okay, so what we're going to do here then is I'm going to show you now how to create a template. And for this video, I'm going to show you the SMS text message. Obviously, with SMS text messages, you can send them straight through our EPOS system. They can target the customers that you actually want them to target. So if you've got customers who've got a pet dog and they purchase a particular brand constantly, you can text them a voucher with a 10% discount and they'll be coming to buy extra to get their bargain while they can. So it really does help you to promote your products. Okay, let's accept that. And I'm going to call this one text, like so. And then it loads up a few features there, and it's relatively straightforward to actually create this template. This is where you're going to create the template. These are special tags, which I'll explain now. And then this is how you will identify on their phone when they receive the text. So you've probably noticed when you receive a text, it might have the person's name or phone number. Well, you can have a small name that basically says the name of your store. So I would select for me Premier EPOS. And then you want the person's first name. So very simply select that and insert tag. And you notice the asterisk first name, and then it ends with two asterisks. That's what we call a variable, and basically that gets replaced by the customer's name. The idea being is if you're sending out 1,000 texts to 1,000 different customers, you do not want to be typing in names, etc. for every single one. So you can get the Premier EPOS system to do that for you. And it takes a few seconds and jobs are good and very good. Okay, so here we've got first name, and then we can literally type what the promotion's for or what the message is for. It doesn't necessarily have to be a promotion, although 9 times out of 10 I'm guessing it would be. So I'm going to do 10% off dog food, as like such. So that will have their name and then 10% off dog food. You can put other obviously fields into this. There's a whole host of them here, but for the sake of argument on this one, I'm going to have their name and what the promotion is, and then all I do is save it as so. And if we go back, there it is. So that's my template basically for an SMS. In another video that I've done, I'll show you how to do the same for an email. And actually one more thing I'll show you in the SMS before where I go is we can go into edit. So you can always change these things, and you can actually, as well as putting a 10% discount, you can actually provide a voucher code, which is voucher code, insert tag, and that code again will be replaced with the voucher that's related to the customer in question. So again, you don't have to be typing in hundreds of voucher codes. The system will do all that for you. So it's all nice and easy. And thank you for listening. Please do check in again.